Hey Mom.
Hello.
Can I go to a party at Jennifer's tonight?
Of course, hon. Bring this and
Thank
these.
you.
And always remember,
Thank you.
don't get pregnant, get drunk.
Mom,
What's
I need to ask you something. Sophie is throwing her birthday party tonight. Can I go?
will there be boys?
I think there'll be a couple.
I won't accept that.
But everyone is going.
You're not. You're going to your room and you're going to make your homework. Goodbye. Hey Mom. I failed my test again.
Oh, well, you're pretty. Better luck next time.
Hey Mom, I got an A today.
Did the teacher make a mistake?
No, why?
I'm paying for this expensive private school. Where the hell is the plus?
Sorry.
Disappointing me! Hey Mom.
Hello.
I just found out that I'm pregnant.
Again?
Yeah.
Honey, I'm too young and too pretty to be a grandmom. Go fix it.
Mom,
What?
I think I'm in love.
Who is he?
A guy named James from my school.
Why James? He's in the lower class.
But I'm so in love and I think he's the soulmate. Oh, he's so gorgeous.
I don't think he's your soulmate. You need to focus on your education and your future and not being a slut.
But Mom...
No. You need to go make your homework right now. Go!